Alright, so the Great Republic Day sale is almost back on Amazon, and this would be the best and the perfect time to go and grab yourself some amazing dash cameras. That being said, we will be celebrating our own festival on the Travel Tech channel. Yes, this is going to be the Great Dashcam Dhamaka sale, and within this sale period, I'll be putting up a series of videos showcasing some of the best dash cams that are available in the Indian market in various different budget segments and in various different feature segments. So starting from tomorrow morning 7 a.m, the series of videos will be dropping every single 1 hour all day through long. So you can watch all those videos, get some help and get some guidance regarding which camera should be your perfect choice. And of course you can go ahead and buy those dash cameras using the links which I've given in the description of those respective videos. But wait, why wait until tomorrow when we can start off the celebrations right now, right at this moment? Well, here's a surprise for all those members who joined my channel in the previous week. So as you just saw in my previous week, I had announced a giveaway and that I promised that I'll be giving away dash cams every month for the entire length of 2025. Well, let's get started with the giveaway right now because this is the Dashcam Dhamaka sale on Travel Tech. That being said, so here is the bowl with all the 10 names, the fastest 10 people who subscribe to Travel Tech as members and have been supporting my channel. You deserve something better for this Dashcam Dhamaka sale. So here's the lucky draw bowl, and if you have seen my previous video, I put in all the names of the fastest 10 members who subscribe to my channel. So here are your names, and one of you is going to start winning dashcams right now, right at this moment. And what's the dashcam which I'll be giving away as a first giveaway of 2025? Well, let's take a look. Alright, so this is the Bolt Cruise Cam X1, and one of the members of Travel Tech is going to win this for free right now, right at this moment. So I'll be starting off with budget dash cams, and as time progresses, we'll be moving on to some more premium dash cams such as the Red Tiger dash cams and Van True dash cams as well. But to start off the year on a great note and to start off the giveaway on a great note, here's the Bolt Cruise Cam X1, and let's see which one of the members of my channel is going to win this dash cam right now today for free. Let's start off with the giveaway. Alright, so I have two chits in my hand right now. I don't know who they are. So which one should I choose between these two? One of these two people is going to be a lucky person today. Well, let's select the right chit. I guess let's put this one back, and the name that comes up is one of my most longest standing supporter of Travel Tech channel. So if you can see the name right here, it says Danny. Congratulations Danny, you are a much deserving and well deserving winner of the first giveaway of 2025. You win for yourself a Bolt Cruise Cam X1 right now at this moment to start off the Dashcam Dhamaka sale on the Travel Tech channel. So a huge congratulations to you Danny. Get in touch with me on my Facebook or Instagram and we can work out the details on how to send this dashcam back to you. So if you guys do want to win some premium dash cameras, you will stand a chance to win a dashcam every month in 2025. Go ahead, grab that membership of Travel Tech. Just click on the subscribe plus button right below this video. Join into any one of the 3 different levels of membership. Do note that the higher level of membership you join, the better the chances you have at winning a dash camera. So again, a huge congratulations to Danny and the rest of the people who are still in this bowl. Well, you will still continue to be in the bowl and you will be continuing to be a part of the lucky draw which I'll be doing in February, in March, in April and all the way up to December 2025. Make sure you stay tuned to my channel by hitting that subscribe button of my channel right now. Go ahead, join in as members of Travel Tech and stand a chance to win an amazing dash camera every month in 2025. Thanks for watching and let's get the sale started.